Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really appreciate you guys taking your time and tuning into my channel. So this past weekend was the photo and video experience which was happening at Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit, and I must say the experience was on another level. And yeah, the experience was on another level. So for those who don't know, photo and video experience is an event that happens annually, and normally it happens at the Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit, where different companies or different manufacturers come and display and showcase their products where photography and video is concerned. So we had different sponsors and different companies showcasing their product and also doing demos of how you can use or how you can have different setups, and they were also selling some of the products at a very great discount price. For example, we had a slider that on a normal price it was going for like 3,200 rands. In this case, during the event, it was going for 1,999, which was like you get to save 1,200 on that bargain. So we had companies like Fujifilm, and then we also had PhotoFest, I think. We also had Sony, Canon, we also had DJI. Those were the main brands that were there to actually showcase their product. The rest were I think guys like Manfrotto as well. I ended up getting something like this, which is it's a mini tripod. So on a normal price, the lowest that I found online for this was on Take A Lot. It was going for 180 bucks, and those guys sold it to me for 390 rand yesterday. So even on their website, it's going for 549. So I actually got it on a discounted price. So there were a lot of things that were very discounted. I didn't get a chance to look at everything, but this is one of the events. If you're a photographer or a videographer, you should really attend, because they get to a point whereby the things that they're selling they go at a very low price, and you can get them if you have the money. So unfortunately for me, I didn't really plan to buy anything, but because I had money with me, I ended up buying this. I wanted to buy a reflector for my photography studio, but I ended up not buying because somewhere else it was cheaper than the price they were selling it. But anyway, I will get to make connection and get to connect with people who can hook you up with different setup, and they're also giving like some guidance, some workshop on how you can have like a best setup for photography, best setup for the videography, as well as the best camera you can use for certain things. If you're doing wildlife photography, if you're doing tech videos like myself, if you're doing weddings, or if you're doing events, those kind of tips that were being given there out there for free. And if maybe you're a model, you could also just show yourself there. There were a lot of guys who were taking pictures for free, and they're also doing video experiences as well. There was also a part for a fashion show, and we also had Lamborghini as a sponsor, which was interesting to have cars on the very same show where we're showcasing photos and video experience. And another thing that I liked was the robot that holds the camera to actually do like slow motion, and that was very interesting. So I'm gonna show you this guys fully in a form of a B-roll.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.